Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert Canva website to HTML. Start by logging into your Canva account if you have not already, and once you're logged in, open the website project that you want to convert. Now click on the share button located in the top right corner of the screen and a menu will appear. Now look for the option which is public view link and click on it. This step will activate the public view of your website, allowing it to be accessed through a link. Once the public view is activated, go back to the Share menu and click on See All to explore more options. And here scroll down until you find the option labeled as Embed. So click on it. You will now see another Embed button. So click on it again. This will generate two different links for embedding your website. At this stage, you need to copy the first HTML link provided. This link contains the embedded code that allows your Canva website to be displayed as an HTML page. And then paste this link, and that's it. You have successfully converted your Canva website to HTML. Link in description to try Canva Pro for free.